Clear? So now we will be learning WordPress. So what is the reason behind learning WordPress? Only because of technical code or anything else also? No, there are a lot of things which are involved. Why we are learning only WordPress? Because WordPress is having around 60% people are using WordPress in the market, in global market. Like you can use, you can see the Joomla is 9% market share if you're talking about in 2014. Now it has gone high also now. In 2017, it has gone very high. So it is one of the most accepted, you can say, WordPress CMS in the globe. Then you will be having some statistics here. Okay, why it is more important? Like you have 140 million downloads of WordPress, whereas you have 50 millions and you have 15 millions of Drupal and Joomla simultaneously. Like you have free themes, 2,500 free themes in WordPress. Now you can understand what is theme, what is plugin in future. Like for the people of good level of the college. But PVP Siddhartha has gone through this yesterday. So let's go to the proper theme now. Now we have discussed about how to create a site yesterday. We have installed a WordPress and we have done everything. Like for the people have come, I'll just repeat that session once again because that is more important. Then it will be very easy for them to understand if I repeat the sentence this class once again, right? So let's start about how to install a WordPress on your local machine and how to do this local server and how do you develop a website. Like I have my server present in HostGator where I have hosted my servers. Now it will be very practical session, so you will not listen much theory here. So follow me what I am doing here. If I am going fast, just ask me. I'll go a bit slow also. It is completely practical session. There is no much theory present here now. In last 10 days, we have completed all the theory classes. Now this is my control panel wherein I'll be having this content management systems applications which are present here. Now I'll be using this WordPress. In our last class, we have planned to make a tourism kind of website for this one. Now what I will do is I'll uninstall it and again install once again. Now let's install it once again. Like how you can install a WordPress. Now you're going to your control panel. From there, you have already linked your website to the server, domain name to this server. Now, what you can do is you can just choose a protocol, which is generally will take HTTP colon forward slash double forward slash www dot so and so gemtechnosolutions.com or something. Like, but I'll be taking cybertaskforce.in, right? In this, we will be taking tourism. Now, what will be the name of your blog? Just remember this password, guys. Last time we have faced a lot of problem on this, right? Now you can see what I'm doing is I'm giving a admin. I'm in the admin panel of this particular WordPress. What I'm doing here is I'm giving the protocol here. Just a second, guys. Just hold on. Hello. Sorry. Yeah. What we were doing is we were just trying to install the WordPress on our particular domain called cybertaskforce.in. In that way, we are using tourism, right? Like yesterday, I have shown you. If I'm just typing cyber task force, this particular dummy website is coming, which I'm using for development of other website now. Some clinic website is there, which we are some electrohomeopathy hospital is there, for whom we are developing this site. So they have their own site, so we don't want to disturb that site. So we are developing here in the backend of this cyber task force. Once it is completed, we'll upload on their server. Now this is what we have here. So, but once we what we are doing is we are planning to create a website on this one, like we are planning to create a website in this blog. Now let's go and install that one. Once we install that, you will be checking out the things. Now let's say install. Now you can see the difference. Last time when I have typed it here, nothing was there here. Once the WordPress is installed, then you have got this particular information about this tourism. We have told yesterday we have taken as Krishna tourism, but now we have taken as only tourism only. You want to take it as Krishna tourism or only tourism? Fine, we have created it, so no problem. Now what we will do is, now this is the proper website place what you have got. Now you have to design a website from the beginning. How do you need to design a website? Like if you have anything idea in your mind, say what all you require. Generally what happens is once you develop a website, you will be speaking to your client that what are their requirements, how they should be. And what you will do is what they require the content and where the content will be. And every content will be given by your client itself, right? This and all about the company and everything will be given by your client. But generally what happens is when you are talking to your client, just take a reference of their competitors also so that you can get some idea how the other people's side of their business will look like. Then it will be easy for you to develop the particular website. Now, if we don't have any client here, so we ourselves are developing. So we will follow a basic structure. We follow this basic structure, that we will having a logo here, one header, menu bar, some navigation content on the right side or left side, or the content, or else will be having a footer. Generally, every website will have this particular this thing. One logo is they will be having, like for example, they will be having a header column. In simple words, if I want to tell, they will be having a header column here, right? They will be having a footer column. These two are fixed. They will be having a menu again, and they will be having a content bar, right? So we will also maintain in a simple way, like we will be having a header and footer, and a normal website where you'll be having a header, footer, menu bar, and logo will be present in that one. Let's start that one, how to create that one. So you need to check out how I am creating, and if you want to take notes, you can take notes. Stop me whenever you require. So let's start the creation of a website. Now this is the website what I have laid here. Now let's go to that UP hyper ADMIN. Now this is the URL which links you to the admin panel of this one. Now we have entered the admin panel of this particular website. Now you have all the tools present here on your right hand side. These are all the tools which are present on the right hand side, and this is your dashboard, right? Dashboard in the sense whatever the changes in your website you are doing, it will be visible at this particular area. This area you will be checking out all the activities here. If you are adding any post, it will be visible here. If you are adding any page, it will be visiting here. If you are adding any comment, it will be giving, like it is one is there now, it will give you two. Clear? Like if you add more posts, it will be giving more to you. Now there will be a particular term called theme, right? How many means all of you are using Android phone now. So in your Android phone, what happen is you have the facility to change the look and feel of the phone's display by changing the theme of the phone, right? I hope so all of you have done that one in your phone. If you have not done, just check it once again. Like whenever you want to change the phone or something, just change all the icons and all will get changed. You have lot of themes in Android. So you can change that. Even you can take the iPhone theme also in the Android phone. So that is the basic purpose of having a theme here. Now let's understand first what is the theme. Let's come back to the PPT again and understand what is the theme. Theme is basically the WordPress theme. System is a way to skim your site. Means what you are doing is you are decorating your site here. You are putting some material content or anything on the wall. Now it is totally there. Nothing is there on that one. Like if I go to this site, if you have changed, like customize your site, now view your site is there. Now if I see this, what is this? Nothing is there, right? Everything is blank. Only one diagram is there and that's it. Nothing is available. So what I will be doing here is I will be decorating it. I will be making it more means user friendly and more attractive in the sense, because when the visitor come to your site, you should not be in a means it should be in a position to attract your visitor, and your visitor should spend more time on this one, and he should get the solution what you are providing to the user. Now let's check out a theme means a website, like how I told you we will be checking out some competitor. So if I'm talking about tourism in Vijayawada or Krishna, Krishna district. Now if you can see, this is the government site. You have indiamart.com. I don't know why it has come here. And temples and tourists. Some blogspot is there. Again, I'm telling you, yesterday I also have told you, if you develop your website in a blogspot also, there is a chance that you'll be ranked good in the Google search engine, right? There is no particular website for tourism here. So we will take the tourism of any other like for example you have Kerala tourism here. Now check out this site guys. What it is telling, it is having so many Kerala at a glance, you have how to, and for travelers, everything is there, right? Now let's try to create a similar kind of website with our WordPress, right? Instead of creating our own website, let's create a similar type of website for our Krishna district. Krishna tourism, what we call it as, right? So we will just go and say here we will in appearance, in dashboard, on your left hand side, go to appearance and change themes. You'll be having all this installed theme. You say add new. Like these are the few of the themes which are already present in the WordPress. Like these are the free themes. You need not pay anything, but you will be having some paid themes also, which you can customize more. Even whatever you want, you can customize in the one. In this one, you will be having a very limited customization, so it will be very tough for you to get the desired results in the free theme. As it is coming free, you need to adjust, right? If you are paying, you need to even demand also. Not good. Let's check out some more, like latest we can check out latest things. You can check any of this one, you can download, but I'm looking for the particular theme which you can use it for that creating that kind of tourism thing. So if you're not able to find this, or if you don't have time, what you can do is just type tourism. Now you'll be getting some sites which are related to tourism. Now yesterday we have taken this theme, so let's take this theme today. Let's not take it again. Let's see how the reviews are. Around 10 people have reviewed this theme. So they are given five rank here. You can see. So let's see. Anyway, we are not paying anything for this one, so let's not install. Now, what you have to do to install this theme, you can either say install here. It will take not more than 1 minute to install this theme. Now, what you have to do is you have to activate the theme. You can install hundreds of themes, but the only theme which is activated by you will be visible to you in the front page, right? Now I have installed this theme. Let's see how it will be looking like. Nothing is there. So what we need to do is we need to do some customization here by making our page as the home page. We need to describe a home page to this one. So now you can go to even settings and reading here and select a static page, and you can select sample page because you are not having any pages here. We have not created any page. Now save changes. Right? But the problem is it will not accept this one. So what we will do is we will add a new page, which we will call it as home page. Publish. Now again we'll go to settings and we'll go to reading and we'll select home page here and save changes. Then let's check out what happened here. So you're not having any posts here, so it is creating a problem. So let's not take it because it will waste a lot of time to create the post and all now. Because once you create the post, it starts showing that particular post in your websites here. It is through posts only, whatever here. Like here you have post, you can select a new post, add new post, and you can select that one. So that will be visible to you on the front page. So it will be a headache kind of thing for you. So let's not take that one. Let's change the theme again. It's not having anything here. So let's change the theme again. Then we will be getting a new theme, which will take less time for us to do some changes here. Add new theme. Now what we can do is, I'll show you one more thing here. Even if you're not finding any themes here, good themes, then what you can do is, you can go to google.com, then type free WordPress themes for tourism website. Right? It is suggesting you 20 free WordPress themes, travel themes for travel, blog and agencies, right? Now it is having 50 also here, but we require some free themes, so we will go with this 21 only. 20 free WordPress themes. Now you can check. The first one is Shapely, is the one site which is giving you. Now what you can do is, the best part of this is, you can check a demo of this in here itself. How the website will look like if you want to develop it. How the front page of the website is look like. Like if you are having it will be looking like this. You can create a blog like this. Everything will be visible to you like this. Only thing is you have to change this content here. Only the content will be changed, but the design will be same which we are looking at here. Clear? So now we have around 20. So let's check out. Actually, Let's see the demo of this also. We have affluent, but we don't want something like this. Brilliance. Now you can check out what they are having. They are having 3 blocks here, wherein they are writing something else. Now what you can do is, if you are not okay with this customization, then you have another way also how to do that. We will discuss that in our next class, because if I tell you that one, it will be very early for you. Anyhow, we have got some good time to do this one. But one more thing, guys, what we can do is, once you make groups of 5 people, already you have submitted the names to me. Now, what we will be doing is, I will create a proper website, install WordPress on that particular website. Now, for example, how I have done is, like we have created www.cybersecurity.in/Krishna TOURISL. Right? In the similar way, this is for the group 1. For example, first group is taking this site. Now, what we will do is, we'll create another site for the group 2 with whatever the domain they are taking. Like if you want to take event management, right? Or else if you want to take slash, if you want to take temples in Vijayawada, temples in Krishna, right? Or else anything, whatever you want, you can do it. Even you can sell something, or we can say art and craft slash art and craft. What you can do here, you can sell the particular what you can say handicraft items which are available in Krishna district to the world also. You can create a proper shop where you can collect the money through PayPal and all. Also, you can do in particular thing. So we will be doing this tomorrow. So be prepared and come tomorrow. What are the domains you require? PVP Siddhartha College can message me or WhatsApp me on my mobile. And Goodlavendaru College also, we will be discussing how to do that, right? Because I need to speak to you before doing that, doing this project with you. Now this is the websites what you are getting. Now this is one more thing what you are like, but let's see how this brilliance will look like. There is no slider in this one, so only the static page is there. All this profile are available, but this is good, right? We can try to take this, but unfortunately it is for sale, I believe. It is not free of cost or download. Yeah, we can download it. Now what I'm doing is, one way we will do by installing the theme from here, and we can say chalo, activate and install from here. But if you're not finding anything good thing to you there, what you can do is, you can again do it from here also. Now what you can say, download the theme. Where you are downloading, I'll say D or else E column. I'll say download here. Now it is downloaded, right? So what I will be doing, I'll go here, I'll say upload theme. Where I'm going, appearance, themes, right? When you say add new, right? How you are adding? Either from here, this part, you can add the new theme by using this part, or you can use by using this part also by adding uploading the theme here. So let's say there's the drawing, and let's say upload theme. Now it's asking for choosing a file from your computer. Now what I'll do, I'll go to D drive where I have saved it on this one. This is the file. What is the brilliance? Now I'll say open and I'll say install. Now you have this one. Now what you can do is, before activating it, if you want to check the theme how it look like, what you can do is you can say live preview. Now you have general options here, right? You can do a lot of customization in this. I'll show you how to do the customization, no problem. But before that, let's check out how the site looks like for you. I will say activate first of all. Now this may require some plugins to be installed to your. I got so many plugins are there to be installed here. 6 plugins it are asking to install, because once we install that only, you will be getting the proper view of this one, right? So like let's go ahead, live preview of this one. Let's see. Many things if we are installing, it will be very delayed for that website for us. I have a very good website, very good you can say theme, which will be working 100% on all the this thing. So I'll just show you how it works. Very customizable. Vantage. Vantage is there are some 10-15 sites which I use personally for my this thing. So you can do a lot of customization in this particular theme. So what you can do is you can go to home page and say update. You have a lot of things like hide title, you don't want to show the title. show default IXL slider here, right? So what we will be doing, if you want to use other slider, it will be visible to you there. Now you will go to view page. Now you got this all information on this IXL. This is the website skin what you are having. Now let's immediately change very fastly how to do this one. Now this IXL is not your logo, so you need to change your logo. So let's go to customize of this one, then site identity. Then you can upload your particular site icon first. Yesterday we have done this. We have saved Krishna Tourism also, right? On desktop we have saved, I believe. Krishna Tourism. Okay. So then, now first let's change the. It is coming to this only, so let's take this much only. Crop. So this is your favicon. See, your favicon has changed here. Now let's go and change the logo also. Right? Now here you want to give your number like 9177868698. I want to give my number here, and then what is my info at the rate KRISHM Krishna TOURISM tourism.com. My email ID I have given. You can see that changes are happening immediately without any problem. Now I'll change my logo. I'll take this logo and I'll say choose file, and my logo is also placed here. Now this page first header column is completed. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the slider one now. Default slider setting, like how many slides you require, how many seconds it should be visible, 6 seconds or 7 seconds. We can change it to 7 seconds or as you wish, how many you require. Now without any this thing, you can show this text to them. Some pattern has appeared. These are the styles where you can show your particular slider in this one. Right? So let's take this one. It's on and go change the first slide. Welcome to IXL. Remove that one. And what we have done that first change the image. Like yesterday we have downloaded some image, so we will be taking that only here now. Like Krishna travels, right? Kanaka Durga temple we will take here because that is the famous place in Vijayawada. Choose file. Now you can see right. No more. We can say contact us here. And you want to give some description. So what we have done yesterday, we have copied paste, but you have to write your own content in the original website. You cannot copy from other website because we have understood the penguin update and panda updates and all. I hope you remember the algorithm class of ours, wherein if you find the duplicate C of the content, your site will never rank on the first page of Google. So I'll copy this one. Sorry, where I'm customizing, I'll copy and I'll paste it here, right? Sorry, now you got this total information. Now you can say save slide. Now what you can do is go back to second slide, repeat the same. What I have done is first we'll change the photo, select, and this one I have taken, shoot the image. Now yesterday someone has told which island is this one? Some island you have told, right, yesterday? Bhavani Island, right? So let's type my Bhavani ILAND, Bhavani Island. We can remove this one and we can. If you put hash in the link URL, it will go to the same site where you are there, right? Now you can type I hope it is clear to everybody. You are able to follow me? Now basically what we have done is we have changed two sliders here now. Now we will go to the third one also in the similar manner. We will change the file, upload the file, save, and we have taken some Krishna barrage somewhere, right? Like this one we might have taken. Now this is Krishna barrage. So let's type Prakasham barrage, right? Sorry. Right? You can add one more also if required. But I don't want, I want this one only. Only three we will add. If required anything, we can change the next one. Now you have this kind of proper front page we have gone. Let's see how it looks like to you in a proper website. Let's see the visit the site now. Looks good. Yeah, but many more things should come here. Some more that links and all should come in this place also, wherein we require to show that like how we have done in Kerala tourism. They are also having the same blog, and then they will be having this proper this thing, popular destinations Kerala, and other information how to do this one, right? But this requires lot of information. Now what we can do is we can go ahead here and we first create a menu. Now what we have done, we have created a slider now. Now what we will do is we will go and create a menu here. Now go to appearance and say menu. You can create a menu in this page or else you can create a menu in your customization also. In customization, how you can create is open new tab, like go customize. You have menu here. You can add menu, say main menu here. You can say create. The menu is created. Display location, navigation menu, and you say add item. Now you can add home in this, and you can create a new page. New page is about us. Add. You have created a new page here, and then about us, places, right? Now let's say publish. Right? This is menu. That's it. It is done now. Let's visit the website in a new place wherein you can see this. Home is there, about us is there, and places are available. But there is no material, proper material available in this home about us, and because it's a blank page what we have. Nothing is there in present in this one. So what we can do is we can create each and every web page once we get the information about that particular thing, right? For example, if I want to create the places, now go to the place web page. This web page you can go to, and then what you can do is you can select some places in Krishna districts, right? Like you have this one, right? Now what you can do is you can, it's up to you now how your creativity is there. What all you want to put, you can put it. Before that, I'll talk to you about some important plugins which you can use in your day-to-day life. Plugins is one thing, like which will be, let's discuss what is plugin first of all. We have discussed about the theme. Now let's discuss what is plugin. Let's come back to the uh, PowerPoint presentation once again and let us understand what is plugin. Plugin is nothing but a collection of code files that adds one or more features to your website. Like for example, yesterday we have seen that how to use a contact form. Let's get it once again. Now I can say edit page means add the new page here, right? One more page I want to add here. Don't want to edit that page. Let's add one more page. In that I can say contact us, right? And say publish. Now this is a main page. This is a page where we have this contact us information. Now what I can do is I can go to this plugin here. It's a tools. In this dashboard I can go to plugin and say add new plugin. Yesterday we have seen this one. Again I'm repeating this. Contact form 7 is the plugin which I'll be using for contact forms. Otherwise you have hundreds of plugins which are useful. I don't want to waste time on repeating the same, but I want to show you that good level people are joined today. So I just want to show them how we have done yesterday. But I don't want to give explanation of everything like what you have done yesterday. Right? Now this is a contact form. I'll say install. Basically why I'm choosing this here is it is having around 1279 reviews and it is more than 1 million times downloaded. So it's more than enough for me to download this particular plugin. You need to do lot of research work in this one, okay, which one to download and how to download. Like in the same way, how you do a research work when you're downloading some applications on your Android mobile. You go to Google Play Store and you see what are the reviews, how the reviews are, how the game is, and etc. etc. You see the videos and check out how it is, and then if you are satisfied, then only you will download. Otherwise, you will download. Now I'll say activate. If I activate, it will be visible here in this area, contact here like this. Now I will say add new contact form. I will say contact form, right? And I say save. Now in this, if you can check out here, it is telling label. Label means a label will be coming, like how it should be visible for you. I'll just show you. I'll just do one thing. This is the short code which is generated automatically. What I do is I'll copy this one and I'll go to contact us. I'll go to contact us page, say edit, and I'll paste it here. Just check out what happens if you do simple thing. This is a very simple thing what we have done, right? We have not written any code. Just copied something from there and pasted here. Like if anyone is visiting my website, they need to enter their website, means name, their contact us, like a name, email ID, subject, and your message should be there, and they can say send. So I'll be getting the contact information of these people. So the way how they can contact us. So this is one of the way. Is it clear to everybody? Good level people, are you able to follow me? Or you are facing any problem? Okay, no problem. So now we have installed, this is called plugin. This is the information, this is the work of plugin. What we have done, a plugin called Contact Form 7, I have used, and I have changed the total view of the page into a contact form here, wherein the customer can add anything and delete, means add their information, and they can try to reach us through that particular thing, right? So is it clear? So whatever it is, you want to do anything in the website, if you want to do extra, you can do it through using plugins and widgets, right? So let's come to the home page again and check out what else we can do on the home page. Now here it is done. So there are one more plugin which is called add new plugin, I would say. There are two plugins which is very useful for you. One is site ORIGIN, origin, page builder, PAGE, page BUILDER, page builder by Site Origin. Site Origin is a company. See again, this is also having 1 million active installations, and around 521 people are doing this one. It is updated last 4 weeks back. You can see other page builders also, but yes, this is one thing what you have, and another thing is Elementor. This is also is a very easy and by which you can build the page very easily, right? You have around 70,000 active installations in this one, right? So let's install this and I'll show you how to build a website using this Elementor. Activate. Now you won't get it here anywhere, but you get these details of this one whenever you're going to the new page, right? Like for example, if I'm going to the home page, this is my home page, right? If it is edit here, if I'm editing this one, now you have got this edit with Elementor. Earlier this was not coming to us, but now if you can check out, it is coming to us. Like edit with Elementor is coming now. So what I can do is I can just click on this one. So the total interface will change now. You can see this. Now it will be very easy for you. It will be just like creating a PowerPoint presentation to you people now. Now what I'll do is I'll do add new section. Like I want 3 sections here, right? I'll take this section. I just go to this Kerala website, which we are taking as an example. Like Kerala, 1, 2, 3 they have, right? So we will also take 3. I have taken 3 sections, right? And what they have only text, right? I can take it, duplicate one, and I can again paste it here, create a duplicate of this, paste it here. Now you require a headline also here, right? Heading. Now what should be the heading? What it is given here? I'll just copy paste everything from here to here now. Right, I want to make it in the center. And if you want to change the style of this one, color of the text, black. And if you want to change the background of that also, you can change it. Background and border, solid. Then you can say like this. You can do some changes also for this one, right? Now it is changed. Now you can do anything. Just spend some time. You need to spend some time on this one. Then you will be understanding what all is there in this. You can do it very clearly. Like for example, I'm copying pasting this one here. Now I'll go to this one and I'll make it like this. You can make it in a 2 columns also. Sections you can again divide into this 2. That all you can do in this particular thing. Right? Let's keep it one only now. There is some gap here. We will remove the gap only. Right? Now come to this part. What is there in the popular destination they have given? Let's take it and let's paste it in this proper this one. Oh, sorry. We will take a text here. Go to this proper this thing. Take a heading. Now again you can change this style text color to black. Or a simple thing what you can do is every time if you not don't want to change this, what you can do is you can just copy this one and you can drag it here. So the total background is changed. The only thing is you need to paste it the title here. Like everything else is set here now. In the same way, you have this also. Just make a copy of this one and drag it here. Right? So now you can check out that website and copy this all things and you can paste it. Or else Control A, Control V. Right? You have got this total details of this one. Now we will take till Kumbh. Something is there. I'm not able to pronounce it also. Direct till here only we'll take it. But you do it for Krishna or Vijayawada. So it will be very this thing for you. Now I'll remove this. Delete. Again I'll make a copy of this one. I'll drag it to the this thing and I'll make a copy of this also and I'll drag it to here. Right? Now change the heading of this one. What is the third block over there? Other information what they have given. Copy this and paste it here. And you can copy this also. And you click here. Control A, Control B, Control B. Right? To make it even only, nothing is required. Just I'm deleting. Just to make it even and everything should be visible. Now you can check out the website. You tell save here. Now your website is saved. Now what you can do? You can go to your visit and check out how it is looking like to you now. Now you can see this. Kerala popular destinations and other information. Everything has come. Now you can go to this links, but you have to add the links for each and everything. Here it is taken as button. You can add the links also. That I'll show you in the next class. One by one, it will be showing. So now this is the basic thing what we have developed. And what else they are having in this website means, let's check out. Again, this latest from Kerala tourism, these all things they are having. It is very easy to create now, right? You can see this. Is it easy or tough? It is very easy to create. Let's do some brainstorming here. Another 6 minutes we have, or we can extend the class also, no problem. Now, what I'll do is I'll try to add one more section here. Now, let's check out first here. Add some more thing, and I'll add 4 photographs. Right? Some creativity thing, right? What I'm doing is I'm trying to be a bit creative in this. Or else, let's delete this one. Let's delete this column itself. Now, let's delete this section itself now. Add, first we'll take this and add, we'll take 4 column of this one, right? Now what I'm doing is, you are having so many tools here again. This each and every tool is very important for you. Now this one is also there, footer is there. Footer also you can customize. But before that, let's go to this one and we'll do something innovative here. What is that you want to do, or let's check out. I'll take one image box here. not image box, image and text. Both the things should be there, right? Now I have taken a box which is again a tool from there. I have taken a box where we have this all things. Now what I'll do is I'll add some small photographs of this one. Like you have two photographs, I'll add these photographs, insert media. Right? Use basic animation is pop-up. Now you can see different animations also here. Because you can check out whenever someone is clicking your website, it will be coming like this. Now, what is this website is all about? Comments. This is the heading. That's BHADAN Bhavani ISLAN Bhavani Island, right? Now, I need to copy some content there actually. Nothing much, but only thing is I need to copy the content of this. Okay. Now check out, you can do the same thing here also. Like you can copy this. Once you have done one proper configuration of one item, then you can use this. Only thing is only the text and image has to be changed. Clear? This is all about the basic site building. I'll show you more tools tomorrow, and probably we will be having the class. I hope that you will be coming on time actually, because it's getting a lot of delay, and because of that we are not able to complete the things. Now you can check out. This is the animation what we have done, and this is called a carousel or the information about the places you have given here, like how they have given this Kerala popular destination. Like that, we have made very interactive also to the client. Now even you can do many things here. Like if I want to tell you that this particular section, this section if I take, you will be having that what should be the entrance animation will be there. Now entrance animation, I'll tell that it should fade in right or what I can say is bouncing or sliding, slide right, slide in right. Now you check out the difference. What happened to this? If I tell you this, see, you got some difference here. The way it is entering into the once you open the site, and if you are doing this, once you go down, it will enter now. Before that, it will not there, but once you go down, it will be entering into them. Once it will use the let the user come down to that place. Right, guys? Any doubts or any questions you have till now? Any doubts or any questions? So tomorrow what we will be doing, we will be doing some extra, some more plugins what will be there. We will be using the plugins here. and we will be doing a complete website of this one. And before that, tomorrow I want the names of the people who have registered and who are creating the groups. Even from good level also, I required the names of the people. 5 people should join in one group and make a group. And what is the mini projects you are doing? Let's discuss. PVP Siddhartha, you are doing some mini projects, right? So people who are in digital marketing can do the project in digital marketing itself. If you require any assistance from me, then do let me know that one. Right, guys? So we'll catch up tomorrow, but be sure that you'll be present on time. Good College and PVP Siddhartha College. Right? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.